Ace Home Services has absolutely fantastic service. Our AC went out last night and it was supposed to get 112 today, and our biggest concern was our pets. Our technician explained exactly what he was doing and what the issue was so we could understand what was happening. He explained their membership options, but didn't really push us either. He was so great and easy to work with, which made this dire situation so much less stressful than it would have been. We cannot thank him enough for his wonderful customer service or the company for their quick and efficient response. Definitely found an AC company for life.
Trust your place with Ace.